Tired of switching multiple glasses all day? Your problem, OOOptic, your solution. Introducing OOOptic magnetic lens that snaps on and stays put. Magnetic lens, it attaches instantly to sunglasses or sport eyewear, indoors or out. Lightweight and convenient. Worried about spending on new eyewear due to breakage? No more broken eyewear blues. DIY Unbreakable Glasses is screw-free as it can be attached and detached easily. With a simple magnetic swap, you can transition from a magnetic lens into glasses and transform into sunglasses by clip-on bendable frame. One frame, endless looks. DIY your style with eyewear that transforms. DIY Multifunction Eyewear. The future eyewear is here.